Aye, Bafit, Thomas Mlambo must be stopped. Aye, this guy must be stopped. Begin the disrespect. This guy, look, that was Kuluma, social media all over. The things you are saying are wild, Baba. First preseason game, umuntu uyaphosta uthi Orlando Pirates versus Bolton Wanderers. Bolton Wanderers are playing the champions of South Africa. Begelu interview, the disrespect on Abdeslam. Look at him. Ikhona into kanje. Hayi, yadelela le ndoda le. This guy must be stopped. Hayi, Thomas Mlambo must be stopped. It's too much. You are too much.